Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys to make this cool sketch text effect. So first off, we're going to have to open a new document and make it 80 by 80. This is to make the scribble pattern that we're going to use. Create a new layer and select the brush tool. Now we're going to want to open the brush presets. Change the size to 1 pixel and the spacing to 70%. Take wet edges and noise. And finally change the size jitter to 50%. Change the foreground color to hashtag E0E0E0. Make sure to use this exact color. You'll see why later. Now just scribble all over. When you're done, hide the background layer and go to Edit and click Define Pattern. Let's just name it Scribble Fill. There we go. We don't need this anymore, so let's get rid of it. Now here I've got this nice grid image I found. First let's type in the text. Make sure the text is in black. There we go. Select the text layer and convert it into a smart object and change the fill to 0. Now make 3 copies by hitting Ctrl E 3 times. Select everything and hit Ctrl G to put them in a group. Now create a new photo filter adjustment layer and set the color to hashtag 3F3F3F. Bring up density to 100 and untick luminosity. Now for the actual text, choose the original text layer and double click to open blending options. Here go to pattern overlay and change the opacity to 70% and choose the pattern we just made. See, it's starting to come together. Next, go to the first copy, blending options, and add a stroke and change the size to 1. Position center and color. Now this is important. Hashtag C9C9C9. Okay, and now an inner shadow. Set opacity to 75, distance to 0, and size to 1. Okay, that's that. Now go ahead and copy this layer style and let's paste it to the other two. Let's make a few changes. Go to the second copy and change the color of the stroke to hashtag BFBFBF and the size of the shadow to 2. Now for the last copy, change stroke color to hashtag D6D4D4. Position it inside and change the opacity to 90%. Nice. And now for the final touches. For the first copy, let's go to Filter, Distort, and Ripple. Change the amount to 20 and leave the size at medium. Go to the second copy, Filter, Distort, and Zigzag. Amount 5, ridges 10, and style out from center. And for the last layer, Filter, Blur, Surface Blur. Make the radius 3 and the threshold 12. Okay, now all you gotta do is move each layer a little bit. Just select the layer and use the arrow keys to move them around. This makes it look uneven and drawn. And finally, change the color. Go back to the photo filter and just change the color to whatever you want. This is only possible if the colors you use for the strokes and everything else is exactly what I've used. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.